Every day, commercial trucks move products that keep businesses operating. Before every trip, drivers prepare for the road ahead. Most deliveries arrive exactly as planned, yet every trip also brings different business risks. Road conditions can change without warning. Traffic delays may affect delivery schedules and customer expectations. One unexpected situation can affect much more than a single delivery. That is why insurance planning becomes part of daily business management. Truck insurance helps businesses evaluate protection for commercial vehicles used every day. Coverage needs often depend on how the truck operates and what it transports. Every trucking business operates differently. Vehicle type, cargo, and operating routes all influence insurance planning. Growing businesses often review insurance as operations expand. New equipment may also change insurance requirements. Every successful delivery depends on preparation before the trip begins. Reviewing insurance regularly helps businesses understand available protection. Coverage should reflect current business operations. Routine reviews often become part of responsible fleet management. Commercial transportation continues to evolve every year. Business growth often brings new insurance considerations. Today's digital tools simplify the insurance review process. Business owners can begin by reviewing instant online quotes. Comparing options helps businesses make informed decisions. Eligible applicants may complete instant online binding through streamlined digital systems. An instant online insurance proposal organizes coverage information before purchasing insurance. Understanding policy details supports better planning. Prepared businesses focus more on serving customers and growing operations. Commercial trucking depends on planning both on and off the road. Understanding truck insurance helps business owners evaluate protection before unexpected situations occur. Well-planned insurance decisions support stronger commercial trucking operations for the future.